Can you make it sound like a campfire? Yeah, I got you. This is a white noise machine with 8 different sounds and unlimited combinations. So to make a campfire, we're definitely gonna need some fire. And then we're definitely gonna need some crickets for ambiance. And there you go, that's a fire. It has plenty of other sounds like a thunderstorm, birds, ocean, water, TV, and even bells. And you can even change the lights to any color you want as a nightlight. And as you know, TikTok just got unbanned, so these are going insanely cheap. If you can't sleep without white noise, I'm gonna leave the link down below if you guys do want it.